Current media discussions have formed the basis for the themes presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created with artificial intelligence technique. Sharing what we have learned is the driving force of this video. Our greatest hope is that this video finds a meaningful plus for you. Also, this is a speculation about the 2026 SEAT Arona. A comprehensive look at the subcompact submarket's potential future. Positioning SEAT in a dynamic market, a strategic analysis. Consistently delivering an alluring combination of functionality, affordability, and design, the SEAT Arona has been a mainstay in the cutthroat compact submarket. But tight pollution restrictions, the rapid transition to electrification, and the changing tastes of tech-savvy consumers are causing the automotive sector to undergo significant restructuring. The future of the Arona is highly dependent on SEAT's plans inside the Volkswagen Group, especially as they pertain to the growing Cupra product line. Major developments in engine technology and pollution control are required for the 2026 rollout of the 7 Euro requirements. Innovations in powertrains, finding the sweet spot between efficiency and performance in the age of 7 Euro. Maximizing efficiency with state-of-the-art TSI petrol engines. A key part of the Arona's powertrain lineup will be the TSI gasoline engines, which will get major upgrades to meet the demanding 7 Euro emissions regulations. In order to reduce emissions of nitrogen oxide and particulate matter, new technologies such as direct injection, variable valve timing, and improved combustion methods are expected. To further improve fuel economy and decrease emissions, advanced engine management systems, enhanced thermal management, and more efficient turbochargers will be integrated. The integration of mild hybrid electric vehicles MHE versus a foundation for electrification. To lessen the Arona's impact on the environment and increase fuel efficiency, the broad use of mild hybrid MEV technology is essential. While accelerating, coasting, or performing low-speed maneuvers, the 48V MEV systems will offer smooth electric assistance, which will improve responsiveness and decrease fuel usage. The efficiency of the MEV system can be maximized with improvements to regenerative braking, energy storage, and power electronics. Opportunities for full hybrid vehicles HE versus, in order to meet the high demand for fuel-efficient vehicles in some markets, full hybrid HEV powertrains could be launched. These powertrains offer a higher electric driving range and lower emissions than MEV systems. This could pave the way for full electrification. Nevertheless, SEAT may have fewer hybrid and electric vehicle HEV choices in the early 7 Euro period due to the Volkswagen Group's emphasis on the Cupra for complete electrification. Problems with battery electric vehicles BE versus position of SEAT in the transition to electric vehicles. Since the Volkswagen Group is primarily focused on the Cupra brand of electric vehicles, it is quite unlikely that the Arona will be offered in a fully electric version in the near future of 2026. While Cupra is at the forefront of the electric vehicle market, SEAT may be more concerned with developing efficient hybrid and internal combustion engines. Market demand, technology developments, and the changing strategic direction of the Volkswagen Group will determine whether electric variants of the Arona are possible in the future. Improving the user experience through technology and connectivity. A digital center for future infotainment systems. Soon, most trim levels will come standard with larger, higher resolution touchscreens that come with expanded connectivity features including 5G connectivity and cloud-based services. A better user experience is on the horizon thanks to high-powered voice control systems, upgraded user interfaces, and individualized user profiles. To keep the infotainment system running smoothly and with all the newest features, security patches, and performance advancements, it can be updated via over-the-air OTA software. The Safety and Convenience Foundation of Advanced Driver Assist Systems ADAS. More and more vehicles will have advanced driver assistance systems that include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist with lane centering, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. First, there is il Palazzo. FR. More precise and dependable ADAS operations are on the horizon thanks to developments in sensor technology, such as LiDAR and radar, and algorithms driven by artificial intelligence. More so on congested city streets, modern driver aids will make driving a more pleasant and stress-free experience overall. Drivers will have access to a plethora of real-time vehicle information, navigation data, and entertainment options with fully digital instrument clusters that have customizable displays, which will become standard on higher trim levels. The aesthetic appeal and user experience can be elevated with better visuals, animations, and user interface design. Through compatibility with mobile applications and cloud-based services, users will have effortless access to media and information while on the move. Integration of telematics and connectivity, a networked environment. Improvements to telematics systems will allow for remote vehicle control, enhanced security features, and real-time diagnostics. Upgrades to software and new features will be added with better over-the-road update capabilities. A networked environment for drivers will be created through integration with smart home gadgets and cloud-based services. A developmental perspective on design and styling. The exterior design of the Arona will remain modern and attractive while undergoing minor upgrades as part of SEAT's evolutionary design approach. The Arona will get a facelift that includes updated front and rear fascias, a new grille, and new lighting features. Customers will have more leeway to express their individuality thanks to updated exterior trim, wheel shapes, and color options. Creating an elegant and functional space through interior design. The cabine's perceived quality and comfort can be elevated through the use of ergonomic design principles and the use of improved interior materials and finishes. Ambient lighting, high-quality sound systems, and sophisticated climate control capabilities will be available as add-ons. An improved and more refined driving environment will be achieved through the use of sound dampening materials and acoustic insulation. Pricing and market positioning, a strategic perspective. Price competitiveness as a value proposition. SEAT's goal in the highly competitive compact SUV market is to keep the Arona within reach of a wide variety of customers. Because of the new technology and the need to comply with €7 rules, prices are anticipated to rise somewhat. The additional technological and fuel efficiency benefits of MEV and HEV versions will cause them to fetch a premium above ordinary gasoline cars. A wide range of potential buyers. The Arona will keep aiming for the young, city dwellers who are all about affordability, functionality, and style. In an effort to attract tech-savvy consumers, SEAT will highlight the Arona's cutting-edge technology, connection capabilities, and safety upgrades. Families looking for a SUV that can handle both daily errands and weekend getaways in comfort will also find what they're looking for in this vehicle. Consequences for strategy. The function of SEAT within the Volkswagen Group. In order to prevent cannibalization and establish separate brand identities, the Volkswagen Group must appropriately differentiate SEAT and Cupra. SEAT is expected to prioritize providing reasonably priced, functional, and fuel-efficient automobiles, whilst Cupra is expected to spearhead the electric vehicle and performance markets. The technological obstacle of meeting €7 standards. In order to meet the demanding €7 emissions standards, the development of the Arona's powertrain will be substantially impacted. Spending a lot of money on new engine innovation, pollution control systems, and powertrain alternatives is necessary for this. Stellantis synergy, the benefits of working together. To make the Arona more competitive and to speed up its development, SEAT will use the resources, technology, and knowledge of the Volkswagen Group. Production cost savings, innovation speed, and access to cutting-edge technology will all result from platform and component sharing.